The Port of Liverpool has witnessed a successful first year of the China Express vessel service, the first direct shipping route from China into Liverpool. Operated by British company All Seas Global Logistics, the China Express service aims to address the supply chain disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, and to enable the delivery of cargo to UK importers from their suppliers in China.
This is our first year anniversary. This year now we have 6 vessels under long-term time charter. We want to have at least 6, probably 7 or 8, in order to give us a weekly service. In the increase in trade over the last years has been phenomenal. China now is manufacturing a quality product and on scale. Nobody else in the world can do that. And we are big buyers. We love internet shopping and we love buying products. So the trade will only increase and increase, and it's a perfect partnership.
We're working very closely with the Liverpool City region on the development of the Freeport, and I'm sure that this will present many further opportunities for further growth in trade with China. Our business recognises the value of being a gateway for China and the opportunities that this creates. And of course, from a local perspective, we're delighted that this growth has helped support further investment in people and jobs.
The Port of Liverpool is key in enabling the China Express service in order to bypass the more congested southern UK ports and provide a closer entry point for the end destination of goods.